BrainChase gives students the choice between weekly writing challenges with credentialed teachers and 5 weeks of language study through Rosetta Stone. I'll show you what each option looks like, but keep in mind, you won't be able to switch back and forth. You'll need to commit to one program for the duration of the summer challenge. If you select the Rosetta Stone option, you'll see a language icon on your dashboard each week. Just click in and it takes you to the language challenge page. Here you learn that your requirement is to learn for 75 minutes. Now I've simplified this to 1 minute just for the purposes of our demonstration, and you can see that I've actually already learned for 18 minutes. But I'm going to scroll down and I will click here to link to my Rosetta Stone account. Now there's no additional purchase necessary. You don't have to go out and create another account and configure it here. Everything is all ready for you to go. You click here and you log in to your Rosetta Stone account and everything is set. Now I've selected Spanish Latin America Level 1. You can choose from over 30 different languages with Rosetta Stone, but you're not allowed to switch languages during the course of the summer challenge. That's because we want you to stay with one language so you'll make the most progress possible. But what you can do is skip within the different languages. So I can choose a different level of difficulty, I can choose different skills that I'd like to work on, and I can even go chronologically if I like. In this case, I'm going to scroll down and click Explore All Activities for Unit 1, and I'm just going to choose something fairly simple, listening. So I'll do a couple of exercises here. So I'm listening to them, and I'm selecting the option that they're choosing, that they're saying. Now you can see that I've chosen something simple. I could also choose something very difficult. We don't care about the level of difficulty that you choose. We want you to learn at your own pace, in your own style, in your own way. And once you've learned for 75 minutes with Rosetta Stone, you go back to your dashboard and you select Refresh, and it will automatically update your minutes. Now a couple things to keep in mind. First, Rosetta Stone sends the minutes in increments of 6. So if you've been studying for 5 minutes and you come back and refresh, you may not see your progress. That's okay, go back, learn for 1 more minute, and you'll see it update. Nothing has been lost. The second thing is that Rosetta Stone requires a microphone. We strongly encourage you to use a USB microphone. This lets Rosetta Stone work with its voice recognition software and let you speak as you learn. It's a great way to internalize the language and really immerse yourself in what you're studying. If you don't have a microphone, you may want to choose the writing option, but we strongly encourage it. So once I've completed the minutes, I can go back to the dashboard and I can get a check mark on the challenge and I'm ready to advance. Now, if you've selected the writing option, instead of the language icon, you'll see a writing icon each week. Just click on the writing icon and it'll take you to your writing journal. Each week you'll have a different writing prompt or a series of prompts. So here it says, imagine you could create the perfect day for yourself. And then I have a required word count. The word count requirements are based on a student's age. They can range between 150 and 350 words. Here, the word count is only 31 words, and I'm getting pretty close. I'm at 19. So I'll come down here and talk about my perfect day. As you can see, as I type, my status bar increases. So I can either scroll down when I'm done and save and finish later, or I can click Submit Journal Entry. Now when you submit your journal entry, first of all, it won't let you until you've reached the word count, but once you've hit the word count and you've submitted, your journal will go before a credentialed writing instructor. These teachers are trained to encourage you to look for ways that you can improve and to provide positive feedback as you write over the summer. In some rare cases, they may find that you haven't put forth enough effort, and they may actually kick back the journal entry to you and require you to make a few changes before resubmitting. But in most cases, they'll give you some positive, encouraging feedback, and they'll pass you on your work. You have to allow 24 hours for these credentialed teachers to provide their feedback, but once they've done so, you can go to your dashboard and you'll see a green check mark over your writing icon. That lets you advance in the program.